If you're feeling a little run down, stressed out, or otherwise just plain fried, you might be thinking about adding an adaptogen to your daily intake. These plant-based compounds have a long history of being used in holistic treatment protocols for a range of ailments. But whether or not they actually work is still an open question. What are adaptogens? Natural adaptogens are a group of herbal supplements that are also sometimes classified as a nootropic, explains Laura Simmons, a registered dietitian at Red Physical Therapy and Healthcare Specialists in Auburn, Washington. Nootropic compounds are used to enhance memory or support other cognitive functions. Adaptogens have long been used as a component of Ayurvedic medicine, which is a long-practiced, holistic Indian medical system. The most widely used adaptogens include Panax ginseng, also known as Asian, Korean or Chinese ginseng. This plant grows in the mountains of East Asia. It's believed to support memory and cognitive function, and it's sometimes used as a complementary treatment by people with Alzheimer's disease. Ashwagandha, also called winter cherry, this evergreen shrub is part of the nightshade family and grows in India, the Middle East and parts of Africa. It's traditionally used to support the body when undergoing physical and mental stress and may be used to treat insomnia and anxiety. Rhodiola rosea. This perennial flower grows in the Arctic regions of Europe, Asia and North America. It's used for fatigue, depression and anxiety and might help regulate heart rate. Astragalus. This flowering plant hails from Mongolia, Korea and eastern parts of China and is used to treat hay fever, kidney disease and diabetes. Ginkgo biloba. Native to China, Ginkgo biloba is also known as the maidenhair tree. It's used to treat memory problems and blood disorders. There is some evidence that ginkgo can improve blood circulation by opening up vessels and making blood less sticky. Reishi. A type of mushroom that's native to East Asia, this reddish-brown, kidney-shaped fungus is used to boost the immune system and is being studied as a possible cancer treatment. Stisandra. Also called the magnolia berry or the five-flavor fruit, this plant is native to northern China and parts of Russia. It's used for improved energy, coordination and endurance. Tulsi. Also called holy basil and native to India, this plant is used to increase focus, decrease anxiety and boost the immune system. It has antimicrobial properties and is sometimes used as a hand sanitizer or mouthwash. While there are many different types and uses for adaptogens, the main claimed benefit of adaptogens is the reduction of mental and physical stress, Simmons summarizes. If this video was helpful for you, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.